Have you ever imagined an automobile dealership as a place of delight, where you receive a unique service that will leave you an unforgettable experience and positive memory? Visit the most luxurious Infiniti dealership in the nation, with the best service and attention to detail. A coffee bar with barista, featuring one of the finest and most delicious coffees in the world, Ospina Coffee. A place where a concierge staff caters to your every need, where families entertain themselves, while you receive the perfect care in your hands at the nail salon of INFINITI of Coral Gables. All included inside our unparalleled indoor dealership, where you will never have to worry about the weather conditions outside. Have you ever wanted to be presented with options? To enjoy the luxury, the comfort, the power, the technology, all focused on you. INFINITI of Coral Gables is your best option. Proudly servicing customers from Miami, Miami Beach, Doral, Hialeah, Key Biscayne, Kendall, and all other areas from South Florida. Come to INFINITI of Coral Gables today to test drive your favorite model from a large selection of new, certified, and pre-owned inventory. Or visit our INFINITI Express Service department, where no appointment is required. If you can dream it, we certainly can make it possible. Conveniently located in the heart of Coral Gables, our team will provide you with an unforgettable experience between Lejeune and Sevilla, 2701 South Jeune Road. INFINITI of Coral Gables, where above and beyond comes standard.